it's a sort of like challenge, eating challenge again, so it's not really new. So eating this licorice, it's going to taste really bad, but not as bad as I thought it would be. Still gross though. Yeah, it's gross. Not something I do often. But for the entertainment of viewers, anyway, leave a like, subscribe, all that. See ya!